Replace the imaging drum on the HP LaserJet Enterprise 8501 and HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP 8601 printer series. When a Replace Imaging Drum message appears on the control panel, it is time to replace the imaging drum. Follow these steps to remove and replace it. Power off the printer. Open the front door. Open the right door to release the lock on the imaging drum. Push in on the two tabs to release the toner collection unit. Pull the toner collection unit to remove it from the printer. Keep the toner collection unit in an upright position during removal to avoid spilling any waste toner that may be present. Loosen the screw on the imaging drum unit. Using the front and top handles, remove the imaging drum from the printer. Remove the new imaging drum from its box. Remove the orange cover from the imaging drum. Caution: do not touch the image drum cylinder while removing the protective cover. Align the new imaging drum unit with its slot and push the imaging drum unit in until it is fully inserted. Tighten the screw on the imaging drum unit to secure it in the printer. Insert the toner collection unit until it snaps into place. Close the front and side access doors. To recycle the used cartridge, go to hp.com/recycle to learn how.